All right, next practice problem. We need to solve for y. We need to put it in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so first I'm going to circle my y and its coefficient. I'm going to get rid of anything attached to the circle, which is this 3x. How do I get rid of a positive 3x? I subtract 3x. It's going to hang out in space, okay? I'm going to bring down what I have. I have a negative 2y. I'm going to bring this down in the right order. So I'm going to bring down my x first, right? So I need the negative 3x and then the plus 12 because I want mx and then my b. So this is my mx and 12 is the b. So I just switched the order now instead of switching it at the end. Now, I still don't have just y. I have a negative 2y. I need to get rid of the negative 2. So every single thing in this equation is going to get divided by negative 2. This becomes just y. Negative divided by negative is positive. I'm going to separate the fraction from the x. So this is now positive 3/2, and then my x. Positive divided by negative is negative. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is the final answer when you solve for y, or when you write this in y equals mx plus b form. Standard form, I need this to be ax plus by equals c. I need x and y on the same side. They're already on the same side. They're just out of order. So all I have to do is flip these around. Just don't forget to move the signs, okay? So this is now negative x. This is positive 3y equals 3. But I can't have a negative a, right? Right now, my a is negative 1. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 1 so that a will be positive. Negative divided by negative is just a positive x. If you need to write the 1 in to make it easier to understand, do that. Positive 3y is now negative 3y, and positive 3 is now negative 3. So now we have standard form.